We're here at Tsawwassen Mills, which is one of the largest shopping malls in the entire province. There are almost 200 stores to choose from Lululemon, Nike, Aritzia. If you head further west, you're at the ferry terminal if you want to check out the Gulf Islands. And just across the street, there's Tsawwassen Springs Golf Course if you want to play a game of golf or check out Paquin's restaurant. This is all within 10-minute driving distance. Pebble Hill is one of the most sought after communities in all of Tsawwassen. You have such a contrast of the community family style living, as well as all of these amenities that are such a close drive away from you. The best part is you're just a couple steps away from the beach. In just a 12-minute walk, you're right here at Fred Gingell Park where you can get direct beach access. You're also very close to Centennial Beach Park too. So for beachfront and all you who like the ocean, this is a perfect location and spot for you to settle in at. You also have a bunch of trees and it's such a quaint and friendly neighborhood that you're not going to want to miss out on this spot. Hi, this is Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Welcome to my newest listing, 4942 6th Avenue in beautiful Tsawwassen. Sitting on a lot size of just over 7,300 square feet, this home measures out to 2,225 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The big benefit of this home is the large 1-bedroom basement suite, which can act as your mortgage helper. This home is actually perfectly situated for all of your schooling needs, walking distance to a number of elementary schools, and just a 10-minute drive away from South Point Academy, which is ranked as the #1 elementary school in the province, as well as a very high secondary school ranking of 9.1. This is Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group. Welcome home.